Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. If you guys are new to the channel, first of all, welcome. It's good to have you guys here. My name is Cesar. I've been documenting my journey since signing up for barber school all the way up to becoming a barber and now a supplier. If you guys did not know, this is my company right here. This is a family owned business, Supreme Barber Supply. A lot of you guys who have followed us from beforehand, you guys already know. You guys watched us literally build it from what it is now and what it will be in the future. So stick around, guys. We got a lot of work to do. But anyways, welcome to the channel, guys. We got an unboxing for the new BabylissPro shavers. Look at these guys. Tell me this is not sexy and that you do not want it. Come on, guys. Let's stop lying to ourselves. I know a lot of you guys have a lot of shavers, but I know you're gonna add this no matter what. Cause come on, we're barbers. We have like 4 shavers, 5 clippers, and like 6 trimmers, and we only use like 2 of each and stuff. So why not add this? Sorry, I forgot to mention, guys. For those of you who have been here already, dude, my hair is blonde now. It's not the end result that I want yet, but I am working on it. I decided to go do something crazy with my hair, so I think it looks dope. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I think it looks dope, man. I think my curls are a huge factor in it, but I am gonna go lighter.
Bye.